Hello, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and today I'm going to show you how you can make this beautiful flower in relief. It is so easy to make, you won't believe. I use it to decorate this beanie that I show you in one of the videos that I shared the last week. I don't know if you watch it. If you haven't, here I will leave in the description box below the link so you can make this beautiful beanie with me, and then you can decorate making this flower. So let's start. Well, the material that I will use for the flower is between medium and bulky, right? It's between 4 and 5. And I will use the hook of number 3.5 millimeters, but well, you can use the yarn that you want. Just please take into account the weight yarn and how you crochet. If you crochet loose or more tight, well, you are going to make more or less chains, right? So we will start making with our hook and with one thread 10 chains. Here I have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Well, at the end of the 10 chains, we are going to close in circle, joining the first with the last chain that we made. We are going to slip one to close this circle, and now we will go up with 1, 2, 3 chains, and inside we are going to make double crochet. While we make this double crochet, we are going to crochet over the thread that we have there to hide it at the same time. Like this, inside this circle we are going to make 24 double crochet, right? And we will count the first chains that we made, we will count as one double crochet. Well, and 24 double crochet. Then once you are sure and you already count them, you are going to slip one to close like this. Then we will go up with 3 chains, and we are going to make a double crochet next to it. So here we have 2 double crochets together. Then we will have 6 chains. We will skip one, and next to it we are going to make a double crochet, and next to it a second double crochet. Okay, again we are going to make 6 chains. After, we are going to skip one space, and next to it 2 double crochet, 1 in each space, and again 6 chains, like this all around the whole row. Well, look, here we have 6 spaces. You see, at the end we are going to slip one to close like this. Then we will go up with 3 chains, 2 and 3, and here in the first double crochet, right here inside, we are going to make these stitches. I don't know how to call them, so we are going to turn over and insert the hook, turn over and insert the hook. Like this we will repeat 6 times. The secret here is that we have to make all of them at the same distance. Once we have 6, we will take at the same distance the double crochet that is below there, and right there inside we are going to make more. Here we are going to make, here we have 2 and 3, and then slowly we are going to take first 2, then 2 plus the stitch that we have in the hook, so 3. So 3 by 3 in order, and slowly we are going to bring them through. Okay, so like this we are going to take them all 3 by 3. So look what we are going to make. Yarn over, and then we are going to bring them 3 threads. Remember that the hook, that the one that we have in the hook, and then the next 2, and we are going to leave these last 2 threads in hold. And now we are going to make the same in the second double crochet that we made, remember? So we will turn over, and first we are going to make inside 6 like this one. So here we have 1, 2, 3, all of them at the same distance. Remember that that's the secret. 4, 5 and 6. Then over the last double crochet at the same distance right there, we are going to make 3. and we are going to make the same. First we are going to take 2, then the next 2, or 3 by 3, like you want to count, like this. Well, and I'm going to continue doing this step with you so you can see exactly how it is. So we are here, what we made in the last segment, we are going to repeat it here. You see, like this. Please be careful, go in order, take your time. Now that you have these last threads, bring them, all of them together and close. So here we have the first leaf, right? Then we will go up with 3 chains and we are going to make a picot right here in the top and a slipping one, right? So then 1, 2, 3, 3 chains and a single crochet right here in the strip of chains that is behind the leaf. So here we have this first part. Then 1, 2, 3, 3 chains, and then right here where are the next 2 double crochet, we are going to repeat and make the next leaf. I'm going to take more yarn, just give me a sec. Okay, so here we are. Remember all of them at the same distance. I don't know why I have this hair here. Okay, then we are going to continue with the double crochet below there, and right there inside we are going to make 3. Remember that here we are making the same, we are just making a review so you can remember and see how it is. Again, we are going to go in order, taking 2 by 2, we are going to count the thread that we have. In the hook, if we count it, we will have 3, right? So 3 by 3 or 2 by 2 like you want. And then, like you want to count, right? We will have these threads in whole. We are going to continue with the second part of the leaf, I mean with the next double crochet, and right there we are going to repeat the same. 5 and 6. Then in the double crochet below, right there at the same distance, we are going to make the next 3. And then again, we are going in order, taking 2 by 2. And remember that we haven't hold some stitches from the last part for the first part of this leaf. This is the second part of the leaf. And once we close it, we are finished to pass them, all of them through. We are going to have these 4 threads and we will bring them, all of them together. Then we will go up with 3 chains and we will come back where we finished, and right there we are going to make a picot. So we are going to just slip 1 like this, then 3 chains and single crochet in the next wave. Then we are going to continue all around where we have the segments of 2 double crochets together. Right there we are going to make a leaf. At the end we must have 8 leaves like this one, okay? So see you when we finished. Well, I want to continue making more leaves with you so you can see how it is. I hope that you are enjoying. I think that you can make small flowers like this one, and you can make it in different sizes, right? And you can decorate a bag or a beanie, or maybe you can make a cushion. I recently made one with flowers. I shared the pic on Facebook, so if you haven't followed me, well, you just look me and you will find me as Laura Cepeda, and there I share more pictures of my previous or my future projects. So I hope that you all are there, and also follow me in Instagram, because there I share all the links of the videos, the new videos. I share news and coming projects too. So see you there too. And here we are almost finished to make the 8 the 8 petals, or how can we call it, leaves of the flower. So I hope that you find this tutorial very easy, and remember that we made a beanie with a pinwheel in the top. So in case you haven't watched, well, here in the description box below I will leave the link, and I decorate that beanie with this flower. So in case that you wanted to know how I decorate that beanie, well, here is the answer. So we will finish making 3 chains, and we will slip one to close right below the first picot that we made, you see? Well, and like this we finish, right? I suggest that maybe just the tips, these picots, just iron it. Remember to use a protection under, but the leaves or the petals, leave it like them, okay, like this, because if not, it will lose your magic, it puffiness. So just leave it like this and decorate what you want, okay? So at the end we are going to leave a long thread, remember, and we are going to hide it with an embroidery needle. Just pass it through the leaves. I love how it looks. This is how it looks in the wrong side. And then here we are going to make a knot and hide the thread. And with this we finish. I hope that you find this video very easy. Remember that if you haven't subscribed, it's completely free. All my videos are free. I'm just asking that you subscribe and that you share this video if you like it, and those gifts are free too. So I will really appreciate that you just take these few seconds of your time to do it. And well, I just want to remember you that I'm in all the social media, and also I'm new in TikTok, so see you there too. And please stay tuned for my coming videos. I'm looking to make an extra video each week so we can see each other more often. Thank you so much and take care. Bye bye.